So, we reached 400 subscribers.
We did?
Yeah.
We just reached 400?
I don't know. I checked it earlier.
1 second. 1 second. Shit. Look at that, boys. Look at that. What? No. There we go. 400. Focus on that. 400 subs. That's sweet. That's really exciting.
We should give the cameraman a bonus.
Yeah. High five. So, 400 subs? 400 horsepower? No, probably not. Probably not. We'll try. We'll try. We'll throw nitrous at it. Just to get that 400. Either or. I just made this motor mount plate right here on the side of the engine. You see this plate right here that I'm poking with my finger?
Yeah. Are you making one more?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a second one. That one fits good. So I'm gonna make a second one of those. I'm gonna trace that out onto the sheet metal. Drill all the holes the exact same. And then I'll have a second one. And now that I'll have a second one, I can start making however I want to run my mounts. I was thinking I'm gonna do a square tube setup onto, or a round tube setup onto something that goes flat, and then have like one singular bolt hold it. So I gotta make something that'll work good. So I gotta build a base on here. I'll build a base down low, and then run round tube to a flat piece of bar that sits on top that has 1 or 2 bolts holding it. And then after I have it like packed in place, I'll take the motor mounts out, bring them up onto the bench and weld them up. Once the motor mounts are done being made, I'll paint them up, throw them back in the car, and I will start looking at the transmission and make a transmission mount. Beautiful! Beautiful!
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
We're hopefully gonna make it run pretty soon. I've done a lot to both doors. These are new doors. These aren't from this car, but this one actually didn't need any patches at all. It was actually like rust free. This one has a big patch all along the bottom.
So these are different doors from last time?
I think so, yeah.
They don't look, well, I guess it's all sanded down anyways, right?
Yeah, they're white anyways too, so
yeah. It's coming together quickly.
Yeah, well, once it's painted, I can put the headliner in and the windows. And then I can put all the interior back in. Not that there's much interior, right?
Yeah.
No, you need more wires. No. You only have enough wires to do a 6-cylinder. Never mind. Oh, no, you have enough to do 7 cylinders, but still not enough. I'm gonna get a hose off of the heater core so I can hook up the new heater core hoses up so we can put coolant in it.
You keeping the old radio, eh?
For now. It's fucked up. I'd like to get like a new one.
But that style, right? Keep the style.
Well, they make ones that look like that, but they're actually Bluetooth or some shit.
So it fucking,
Even better.
yeah, you don't fuck up the dash, right? But you'll have tunes.
This is a roller 5-liter, so it's the same one in like a Fox body, but it's got the GT40P head. Actually, not P's, they're just GT40 heads, so they're actually nice, high-flowing heads. He's got a big 4-barrel intake and carb, and it looks like he's got a brand new fuel pump.
Show us the goodies.
Oh, it's just the heater core. Doesn't look like it's ever leaked, which is cool.
Yo.
No, I just took it out to get all this rubber off there. I think this might be the OG hose because it's attached, right? It's been there for 50 years. Try harder.
We need some lube.
That actually might work.
Just spit on it.
You can put some Vaseline on it.
Yeah, if you go into Ryan's room on the nightstand, there's a big pail of it.
You know, there's a pail on that shelf over there.
Oh, it looks like it's going in.
Oh, I think she's in.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
It is not pushing though.
Work it, puppy.
Is this your concentrated fuck face?
Oh yes. You won't see my nut face though. Holy fuck, man.
You really stuffed those hoes.
Not good.
Oh, yeah. Good timing.
That was 3D.
Whatever.
It's a roller cam, right? So it's a 94. Came out of an Explorer, so it's got the GT40 heads. And yeah, just put a carburetor and headers on it, really. That's about it, you know. So it'll probably make a little bit more than it would have in the Explorer, right? Because it's not a little better flow maybe. Not really.
It came with manifolds originally?
It's not. They're like a nice manifold.
Are you gonna keep it stock?
For now.
Hmm.
It'll drive nice and whatnot, right? It's not practical to be able to drive a race car.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You just googling your motor?
No, just how the wiring in this box works.
You just drilling holes for fun?
Yeah. There's something to do on a Friday night. Drill holes.
You got protection?
You can see this? It's all raw, buddy.
Oh, she's squirting. Oh, I got some shit on fire.
Yeah, because he's been super fucking shitty. I'm like, Jeffrey.
Let's see if this one's got anything in it.
I got experience, I'm a veteran. Get a pound and you know I get to selling it. Get a zip and you know I get to flipping it. My homeboy boy, whip it up in the kitchen, bitch. Then we get it off.